Okay, good morning everyone. Let us try to solve this radical equation. No? So when we say a radical equation, we have an equation where radical expressions are involved. No? Okay, first step in solving radical equation is that we are going to remove the radicals. So to remove the radicals, since this is square root, so the anti-operation or anti-function of a radical expression is to square it, no? So if we are going to square this, both sides, so if we square both sides, okay, now the left side will become 25. Okay, just do FOIL method no if you want. So this is 25y squared minus 30y plus 9. Then on our right side, that becomes 25 times 2y minus 3. Okay. Now be very careful with the left side, no? Okay, most common mistakes is that when they are going to square 5y minus 3, okay, take note that 5y minus 3 is not equal to 25y squared minus 9. Okay, they are not equal, so take note. Okay, so let's continue. So this becomes, okay, we are going to simplify that side. So we have 25y squared minus 30y plus 9 equals 50y minus 75. So let's solve this one. Let's we'll move this part of the equation to the left side so that we can express the right side of the equation in terms of 0. So applying addition property of equality, we will have minus 50y plus 75 minus 50y plus 75. We will get this equation. We will get 25y squared minus 80y plus 84 equals 0. Now to solve this, so we have now a quadratic equation. So since we already have a quadratic equation, we can use factoring, or we can use completing the square or the quadratic formula. For this case, since there are big numbers that are involved, I will just make use of the quadratic formula, no? So we know that quadratic formula is that x is equal to negative b plus minus square root of b squared minus 4 ac all over 2a. Okay, so we'll just simply substitute, no? So our b here is negative 80, so negative of negative 80, we have 80 plus minus square root of negative 80 squared minus 4 times 25 times 84 all over 2 times 2 times 25. Okay, 2 times 1. So this becomes now, we have 80 plus minus square root of, okay, if we 80 squared or negative 80 squared, that is just simply 6,400, while 4 times 25 times 84, and that is what, 84. So that is, so this is 100. So 8,400 divided by 50. Okay, so we will have 80 plus minus square root of negative, what is this, negative 2,000 all over 50. Okay, now in the set of real numbers, we cannot have a negative square root. So we will have, so there will be no real, so in this case we have no real solution. So we can write our solution set as a null set. So our solution set is a null set. Now actually, if we try to cover this in the set of complex numbers, our answer is a complex conjugate. No, we have an answer of a complex conjugate, but we will just leave that one to our next lessons. Okay, and I guess that's it. So if you have questions, just comment it down below. Okay.